Hey everyone, it's a beautiful spring day. This is a great time of year to clean your house, your yard, and to clean your car. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Stick around. Spring cleaning, the flowers are in bloom, and it's time to clean the car. And if you enjoy following along on my decluttering, minimizing journey, be sure to hit that red subscribe button below, get the notifications bell, and leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see in the future. Just taking all the junk and the clutter that's in the car, removing them, getting it ready to be vacuumed. All the CDs, anything important, it's going to be going into a box that I'm putting everything into that needs to be saved. The rest of this, as you can see, is garbage, and yeah, that will be going in the trash. One by one, I'm removing all of these pieces out of the back of the car. It's there's a lot there. Some of it, the snow scrapers I'll be keeping, jumper cables, and there's just a couple of things that need to stay back there. But most of this was just stuff that was a dumping ground. Cleaning with vinegar. More on that later. And there's nothing quite like a portable Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner. This really took up just about everything we expected it to, and there was a lot to take up. And be sure to get in all those corners. Just a lot of dirt hides in the edges, and you want to make sure you get everything completely cleaned and done right. And here's that vinegar I was telling you about. For cleaning, I'm just using a mixture of vinegar, water, and some essential oils. It's gentle on the environment, it's a great cleaning solution. Making sure to get all the surfaces clean. The dashboard, steering wheel, any of the knobs and controls that we use. This is just a great cleaner. I hope you enjoyed that video. It seems that this is a good time of year, the spring, to to get outside, get that car cleaned. You know, you're just taking a small section of your home, or a good example, take your car and just give it a good spring cleaning. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell below, and leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see going forward. Thanks again for watching.